Assalamualaikum everyone, how you all are doing? I hope you all are fine. So today we will be learning 3 very simple and easy to carry hijab style. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into it. So first, take the shorter edge of the hijab, place it under your chin and pin both the ends at the back of your head. Now grab the other shorter edge and do the same with this, but this time pin it on the top of your head. This has created a loop. Now all we have to do is pass our head through the loop. Once you are satisfied, secure it by pinning it down, you know where, your crown area. So here goes the first look. So for the other way, fold 1/3 of your hijab from the front and place it over your head. Now pinch the front frames and pin it underneath your chin. Now grab one end and wrap it around your head. Secure it on the crown area. Now take the other end and overlap the prior one. Secure this one also using 2 hijab pins on your crown area. So with that, we are done with our second look. For the third look, do the same by folding 1/3 of the hijab, placing it over your head and pinning it underneath your chin. Grab one end of the hijab, wrap it around your neck from underneath the other end. Now take the other end, pinch it from somewhat in the middle, creating the plaits, and pin it on the crown area. Grab the leftover part, bring it over to the other side by overlapping the first layer. And pin it on the crown area. This will give us elegant plaits in the front. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe if you are new. And also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye bye and lots of love.